Abby started rolling over today from her belly to her back. And we're going to see if she'll do it for us. Are you going to roll? Because just as soon as I turn the camera off, she'll do it. So this might be a 20-minute video, huh? Until her rolls. Do-do-do-do. And before I put the camera up, she was fake crying. And as soon as she saw the camera, she stopped crying and her smiled. 'Cause she's a ham, huh? Huh? Are you a ham? Say, I'm a ham. We're just waiting. Waiting for her to roll over. Buddy's waiting too. Abby. Abby. What are you looking at? Is that your bud? What do you think about him? What do you think about him, huh? Where's drooling? Always drooling. Always. Are you gonna roll over? Are we gonna have to wait all day? As soon as I turn off this camera, she's gonna roll over. I know it. 'Cause that's what she does. She's 3 months, 2 weeks, and 6 days old today. She likes her toys. She has a whole bunch of them. She likes her bottles. Her dislikes are taking her bottle away from her before she's ready. That's when she throws a big fit. Abby. Abby girl. She might be doing it. She's thinking about it. She's thinking. When she cocks that head to the side, it's all over. Abby. Abby. Hey. She likes that little bug, I think. My bad. Abby. You okay? Abby. Abby Barry.